Good morning, class 11. Today I will continue the same chapter but about the leaves. Leaf. So children, what do you understand about the leaf? What is leaf? Leaf is the lateral outgrowth of the stem. First of all, stem will grow. Then from the stem, laterally some outgrowths will appear. When it will take green color, then they will change into the leaf. So this is the first point, that is that they are the lateral outgrowths of the stem. Second point, they arise from the node of the stem. Leaves will arise always from the nodes of the stem. Third, they are exogenous. Again I am telling you, exogenous means they are developing outside or towards the outside of the stem. So they are exogenous in nature and they have some limited growth. But plants do not have any limited growth. Their stem will grow their lifelong, but the leaves have their limited growth. That's why leaves have proper size, proper shape and proper type of distinguishing natures. Then next character, they develop from the axillary bud. Children, suppose this is the stem. The leaves will grow from here. So there will be some axillary bud. From axillary bud, the leaves can grow from the stem. So these are the characters due to which we can recognize about the leaf. What is the leaf? Then we will come to the function of the leaves. Function. Yet the leaves have chlorophyll. So they will prepare their food, and that means help in photosynthesis. Main characters of the leaf have chlorophyll due to their main character, that is help in photosynthesis. Second character, for the photosynthesis they need water and they need CO2, so they supply water and carbon dioxide. Through the stomata they will take carbon dioxide and through the veins they will take the water. Third function, and after preparation of the food they have to transport the prepared food throughout the parts of the plant. So this is the third function, that is the transportation system. They have either to take the water from root to the leaf or to transfer the food from the leaf to root or other parts of the plant. So these are the main functions of the leaf. Now children, I will come to the venation. First of all, do you know what is the meaning of venation? Venation means, suppose you are drawing a leaf. This is the midrib and these are the branches of the midrib or lateral veins, and these lateral veins, when they get water from the branches of the stem, they have reticulate or the sub veins by which the total plant can get water, or after preparation they can send the food also in this way. So these are the venation. Venation means the arrangement of midrib and lateral veins along with the sublateral veins, and how they are arranged in the lamina of the leaf. This is known as venation. So venation is of two types. As I think everyone you have seen cinnamon leaf. Cinnamon means, children, you know, there is the midrib and other veins are going parallel to the midrib. So they are known as parallel venation, or they are having parallel venation. So there are two types of venation. Reticulate means, as children you know the word meaning of each and every term. If you will know, then you can get very easily about the structure. Reticulate means network. So here the side veins have some network arrangement on the lamina. So they are having reticulate venation, and those who have all the veins running parallel to the midrib, they are having parallel venation. Now children, come. Reticulate venation. Reticulate venation is either pinnate or palmate. First type is pinnate. Second type is palmate. As children you know, pinnate. Pinnate means there will be single midrib and all the branches of the mid vein will arise from the lateral side of it, and they have some reticulate venation in it. So this is unicostate, that means midrib will be one. So this is unicostate pinnate venation. Now come to the multicostate. Multicostate, multi means several than or more than one. Multicostate have divergent and convergent type of venation. Children, you know, divergent means which can be spread from one place towards the outside. So this is the divergent type of venation found in papaya. Children, all of you have seen the papaya leaves. It is simple leaf, one midrib divided into 5 parts in it, and this leaf has some notches in between the midrib, and we are saying that, or we can say that the leaves are looking like separated, but the lamina is one, but it is divergent type of venation. And in the cinnamon, you have seen that all the veins going parallel to the midrib. So this is known as the convergent. So all the veins going parallel to the midrib and joined at one place. So this is convergent. Convergent means coming to the same place, and divergent means from the same place they go outward to the surroundings. So this is papaya and this is cinnamon. Now, if it is pinnate unicostate, have you seen the people leaf? People leaf, biological name of people plant is Ficus religiosa. So it is having one midrib. These are the side branches of the midrib. Then they have some reticulate venation like that. So this is unicostate. Now multicostate, they have divergent and convergent. Divergent, first example for divergent is papaya. Midrib divided into 4 or 5 parts towards the outside, and convergent, that means all the veins will converge at one place. Example is cinnamon. Now we will come to the parallel venation. Now parallel venation also having same type of names, that is unicostate and multicostate. If suppose unicostate have, so unicostate have parallel venation, also have pinnate and palmate first like that. Pinnate and palmate. Pinnate have unicostate, just like the people here. The example is banana. Children, everyone you have seen the banana leaves. Here children, just like that, mid-rib is in between and the side veins are perpendicular to the midrib. This is the main character of the parallel pinnate, but not in the unicostate pinnate. Here they are they are arranged in sideways, and here they are arranged at the perpendicular of the midrib. Just like example for it is banana leaves. Then pinnate and then palmate. Palmate, as the children you know, what do you understand by the palm? Palm means just like your hand, you have palm. One point is there and all the fingers are going outward to the each direction. Here also Pomade, like that. Pomade also have multi-costed, Venetian and unipinnate. Unipinnate is over, that is banana. Multi-costed. One example of the multi-costed is fan palm. See children, fan palm, that means this is a fan palm and this is bamboo. So in case of parallel Venetian, if it is pomade, so pomade again divided into multi-costed, divergent and convergent. Multi-costed if it is, so along with the mid-rib, all the ribs are arranged from one place, and divergent, if it is divergent, then they go outward towards the, that means outside to the main point. For example, it is fan palm. I think everyone you have seen in the summer season, the fan palm we are using when there is no light. And this is the convergent, again like the same. Example of this bamboo. Bamboo leaves you have seen in your home also, outside also. They are also having parallel Venetian. So this is the type of Venetian, reticulate, parallel, and these are the types of unipinnate, multi-costed, convergent, divergent. These are the types of Venetian. Now children, we will come to the structure of simple leaf and compound leaf. In simple leaf, there should be the main character, that mid-rib remains same at the middle, and the lamina is not bifurcated or not divided. Lamina will remain single. So this is the lamina and this is simple leaf. Simple leaf always have one axillary bud at the axis of the leaf. So this is the simple leaf. When it is divided, that means lamina will be divided. So main, or you can say the midrib, is known as rachis. So there will be no other parallel veins, and mid vein remains single, and the lamina becomes bifurcated or divided into so many or several parts, and these are known as leaflets. Parts of the lamina is called as leaflets. So this is the compound leaf. For example, simple leaf, that is mango, people, all these are simple leaf, and compound leaf, or that neem leaf, mithi neem, rose leaves are also belonging to the compound leaf. Now, compound leaf are also having different types. Simple leaf is only the simple leaf. Again, or afterwards I will teach you about the parts of the simple leaf. Now today I will teach about the types of compound leaf. So first type of compound leaf is pinnate. Pinnate compound leaf. So pinnate compound leaf is of two types. One is unipinnate and it is peripinnate, and it is imperipinnate. In pinnate, one is unipinnate. Unipinnate, as the name suggests, there will be one rachis, and unipinnate will be divided into two parts, peripinnate and imperipinnate. As the name suggests, peripinnate. So this is the one rachis, and leaflets are arranged equally on both the sides. This is peripinnate. And in imperipinnate, leaflets are arranged equally on both the sides, but at the top there will be one single leaflet. There is no pairing of all the leaflets. So this is imperipinnate. I think you have seen this type of imperipinnate in the rose leaves. Most of them, those who are having rose plant, they can see imperipinnate they have. Now children, after unipinnate, this is the first variety. Second is bipinnate. Now, as the name suggests, bipinnate. If the unipinnate have one rachis and all the leaflets are arranged on that same rachis, and bipinnate means all the leaflets are arranged in the second part of the rachis. See children. This is the main rachis, this is the branch of the rachis, and then the leaflets are arranged here. Like that. This is bipinnate. Third one is tripinnate. As the name suggests, tri means three. So again, this leaflet will be arranged, the branch of it, arranged on the branch of the secondary branch. This is tripinnate. That means rachis will be divided into primary, then secondary, then tertiary. So this is tripinnate. For example, for bipinnate, I think you have seen acacia, bubble leaves, and for tripinnate it is acacia and then mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica is touch me not. It is also having bipinnate type of leaf. Then in tripinnate, you can't see here. Spelling is oroxylon. This is for tripinnate. Then decompound. Decompound means main branch or main rachis, not branch, main rachis is there. Again it is having secondary, then having tertiary, and after tertiary there is the branch, and then leaves are arranged on it. And here you can see the leaves are finally, when they grow more or when they grow more older, then the lamina is separated or divided into fine parts. For example, you have seen that coriander leaf, carrot leaf, all coriander leaf, when they becomes mature totally, then the parts of the leaf is having this type of separated structure. Carrot leaf also they have separated structure. Fennel leaves also they have separated structure. So these are known as the decompound. This is called as decompound. So how you have suggested about the compound leaf, if there is single rachis, then it is pinnately, and in pinnately there is unipinnate. If there are two, that means one branch is divided into two parts, that is bipinnate. If it is divided into three parts, that means primary, secondary and tertiary, then it is tripinnate. And then decompound means all the parts are divided, lastly the full lamina, full leaflet, and then they become spined or thread like. Now children, after unipinnate, then palmate. Palmate leaf. Palmately arranged compound leaves. And again I am telling you, as the name suggests, palmately means one origin and there are other parts are arranged there. So here are some different names are given. First is unifoliate. Second is bifoliate. Like that. So unifoliate. Unifoliate means having one single leaflet on the branches. Example of it is just like lemon leaves or any citrus leaves. Then unifoliate. Unifoliate means if suppose like that, this is the unifoliate. Bifoliate means on one there will be one point, there will be the two leaves arise, that is, sorry, two leaflets will arise. So there will be bifoliate. Then as you know, the third one will be trifoliate. Trifoliate means from one point three leaflets will arise. That is called as trifoliate. Then quadrifoliate. Quadrifoliate, as the name suggests, from one point there will be four leaves arise at the same time. It is quadrifoliate. And then multifoliate, as the name suggests, multi means more than 4 times, this is multifoliate. So for the multifoliate, Bombax mori. For the quadrifoliate, you can't see in the India all these plants. So let it be. So these are the varieties of palmately compound leaves. If it is unifoliate, having one leaflet on the branches. Bifoliate, there will be two leaflets on the branches. Trifoliate, as the name suggests, that is one point they have three leaflets. Quadrifoliate, at the one point there will be four leaflets. And then multifoliate. Multifoliate means at the one point there will be more than 4. For example, I think you have seen in the school kappa. Kappa is the example of multifoliate. At one point there will be the more than 5 leaves. Okay children, thank you. God bless you.